Filing taxes in California doesn't have to be stressful. In this video, I'll walk you through the key steps you need to take, the common mistakes to avoid, and whether it's smarter to file early or hold off. By the end of this video, you'll learn the steps to filing your taxes, how to avoid a potential audit, and practical steps to save time and money. Hi, I'm Pietro. I used to work as an IRS attorney in Washington, D.C., so I've seen firsthand how the IRS operates. If you're dealing with tax issues and need guidance from someone who understands the system, call me today at 951-319-7674 for a free consultation. Let's start with the basics. What do you need to file taxes in California? First, gather your essentials. That includes your Social Security number or taxpayer ID number, your income statements like W-2s or 1099s, and any records related to your business income, rental properties, or investments. Next, you'll need to choose the right form. California residents typically use Form 540, while non-residents or part-year residents use Form 540NR. Each form corresponds to your residency status and determines how your income is taxed. From there, determine whether you take the standard deduction or itemized. That depends on what gives you the best tax outcome. So you have your deductible expenses ready, including mortgage interest, medical bills, charitable donations, and property taxes. Once your documents are ready, you can file electronically through the California's Franchise Tax Board portal or opt for paper filing. E-filing is faster and more accurate, reduces human error, and often gets your refund quicker. If you owe taxes, you'll also need to decide how to pay, whether through direct deposit, check, or setting up a payment plan if needed. If you're running late, California automatically grants a 6 months extension. But remember, the extension only delays filing, not payment. You still need to pay what you owe by the April deadline. Even experienced taxpayers make errors. The good news is you don't have to. One of the biggest mistakes is using incorrect personal information. A typo in your Social Security number or a wrong bank account detail can delay your refund or trigger unnecessary complications. Another common pitfall is choosing the wrong filing status. Your tax bracket and deductions change based on whether you're filing single, married jointly, or head of household. Make sure you select the one that reflects your actual situation. Most taxpayers also leave money on the table by missing deductions or credits they qualify for, especially small business owners. Business-related expenses, depreciation, home office use, and employee benefits can significantly reduce your tax liability, but only if you document and report them properly. Double-check your math, or better yet, use e-filing software that does it for you. A simple calculation error can flag your return for review or delay processing. And of course, the most avoidable mistake, missing the deadline. Penalties add up fast and interest continues to accrue until your balance is paid. File on time. Even if you can't pay in full, you have options. Now let's talk about timing. Filing early has several benefits. If you're expecting a refund, you'll get it faster. It also lowers the risk of tax identity theft, because once your return is filed, no one else can file using your Social Security number. It also gives you more time to fix errors, gather documents, or work with your tax advisor if anything's unclear. But sometimes waiting makes more sense, especially if you're expecting significant changes in your financial picture. If you're missing documents, anticipating deductions you haven't fully calculated, or you owe a large amount and want more time to budget, then holding off within the deadline could work in your favor. Still, waiting doesn't mean procrastinating. Prepare your documents early, run your numbers, and speak to your tax advisor well before the due date. That way, when you're ready to file, you're making a strategic move, not a rushed one. Whether you're filing early or close to the deadline, the key is to file smart and avoid costly mistakes that could impact your finances for years to come. So if you have questions about your taxes, need help navigating tax laws, or are facing tax disputes, contact the law office of Pietro today at 951-319-7674 for a free consultation. We're here to answer your questions and review your case. And if you found the video helpful, make sure to check out the next one.